Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are enjoying your days. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you find your deleted photos on iPhone. So at first, just go to your photos. Now in the photos, just go to your albums. Now just scroll here. And the last one here you can see recently deleted. Click on it. Now here you will see all of your recently deleted photos and videos here. Videos or photos that you recently deleted. So guys, that's how you can find deleted photos on iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.